Hello, guys. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Textbook Regulatory Bodies. First of all, many congratulations for clearing IFSCA Grade A Phase 2 examination. So now the final battle is your interview. Okay, so almost we have 52 candidates who generally got selected for the interview purpose. So in this particular session, we are going to talk about the broader areas of for this particular exam interview, right? And one important thing, guys, if you are going for IFSC grade A phase 2 interview examination, so there is a link given in the description box, so where our expert team or our panel member, they'll help you out in overall interview things. Okay, so we are going to conduct online mock interviews for all of you, right? So for RBI grade B, it is already going on. So अगर आप लोग आपका जैसे if you have RBI grade B as well as IFSCA, so you can also fill that particular form, or you can simply mention into the comment section. So we will ping you that particular form, and then our team will connect you, and basically they'll help you out the entire journey of your interview, and they'll help you out in mock interview also. Okay? So our expert panel, your interaction will be with our expert panel. So they'll guide you, they'll take your mock interview and they'll guide you in the entire journey also. Okay? तो अगर आप लोग इस पर्टिकुलर इंटरव्यू के लिए सिलेक्ट हुए हैं, सो डू अवेल दिस पर्टिकुलर अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड इट इज कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. तो बिल्कुल भी आप मिस मत कीजिएगा, राइट? So guys, these are the candidates who generally got selected for phase 3 or the final phase, which is interview. So once again, many congratulations. So now you have like this is a very important time. So there are some areas where you have to work. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about these broader areas. Then we will come up with some other set of sessions also. So we will keep guiding you on those particular areas, right? तो आपका जो भी कैंडिडेट्स आपका इंटरव्यू के लिए चाह रहे हैं वो फॉर्म जरूर फिल कीजिएगा. सो यू विल गेट एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 फ्री मॉक विद आर इंटरव्यू पैनल. सो आरबीआई के ऑलरेडी चल रहे हैं, ठीक है? अगर आप लोगों में से कोई आरबीआई वाले भी हैं वो भी आप दोबारा से फिल कर लीजिएगा, और जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी फिल किया होगा उनको ऑलरेडी कॉल चला गया होगा, एंड we are conducting mock interview from tomorrow onwards. Okay, so guys, if you talk about the IFSCA, it's a universal regulators, and if you see the job opportunity, definitely you guys are going to have that international experiences in this particular one, right? So as you know, like this is the kind of if you talk about if you study the IFSCA Act, or if you understand the workings of IFSCA, so it is all about like inward and outward remittances, स्पेशली इन टर्म ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, ठीक है? तो आपका जो इंडियन इकोनॉमी है उसमें जो बाहर से इन्वेस्टमेंट आते हैं, यहाँ से जो बाहर इन्वेस्टमेंट जाते हैं, तो उन्हीं के अराउंड आपका KRAs होने वाला है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे आपको हर कोई मिलेगा, लाइक यू विल गेट बैंक in the name of IBUs, IFSC banking units. You'll see also stock exchanges or commodities exchanges, forex business. So everything is generally part of this particular one. So सबसे मतलब like one regulator, one institutions, and here you'll get experiences of all the financial system of the country, right? So there are few things which I'll suggest you, like just go through the website of IFSCA and study the areas, like कहाँ पे वो deal करते हैं. Like if you'll see, there are 8 to 10 core business areas, like retail banking, we have wholesale banking, we have the newly one is aircraft leasing, we have portfolio management services, we have insurance services, and also there are number of like all these financial services which are generally part of this particular one. So these are some major areas which I'll highly recommend to all of you. So in सभी areas को आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ें, ठीक है? The first one is like if you talk about this particular one, so this is something related to HR question, ठीक है? Your first impression toward that particular board, ठीक है? So जहाँ पे आपके personality test होगी, personality is like kind of a, it's a grade A post, means assistant manager, means you have to work on that dynamic personality, which is a kind of problem solving team, and first go through the job role, and based on that job roles, what problems you are going to face in that particular organization, and what will be your take. So basically it is completely your personality test, ठीक है, कंटेंट टेस्ट इज ऑलरेडी डन इन पास्ट 2 phases, राइट? तो यहाँ पे आपका पर्सनैलिटी अराउंड जो एचआर अराउंड चीजें होंगी वो आपका, ठीक है, योर स्कूलिंग, योर पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, what have you learned from those particular things, your educational backgrounds, and even if you are, especially like most of candidate, they have work experience or they are currently working with some institutions, so why you want to join to IFSC and all these kind of questions. So our mock panel or our interview panel will help you out with these particular things also, right? The second one is, this is a very common things whenever we go for any organizational interview, so we have to know about that particular one, okay? So now IFSCA, so you have to study about this particular one, IFSC and IFSCA Act, or their key areas, the different areas in all, okay? So that this is a very important one, basically how it is different from other financial regulators and all, okay? IFSC norms and also they'll definitely help you, okay? Then a list of current news also, like news around like mergers of banks. This is not about your content test, again I'll say that, okay, right? So it is all about what is your viewpoint about that particular take, right? Let's say there is a US election happened recently, right? So Donald Trump who win the election, so how it is going to make an impact on Indian economy, so what will be the pros and cons, so you have to relate with the past term, or you have to relate with India's relation with US and all these kind of things, so that is the one, so we have number of news under this particular league, challenges and all, everything, so they are generally part of this one, then the final one is banking and economy. This you will learn with while you go through this IFSC organization so better key, like if you visit that particular website, you will see their product line, so accordingly you will learn about these particular things, okay? तो ये मेरे को ज़्यादा चैलेंज लगा नहीं, जैसे जो आरबीआई के सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनसे भी मेरा जब भी इंटरेक्शन हुआ, सो दे आर वेरी गुड इन दीज पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स, ओके? तो यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा वरी नहीं रहता है. सो अगेन आई से दिस इज कंप्लीटली अ पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मॉक टेस्ट आप लोग दीजिए, और इफ़ यू वांट आर हेल्प, ठीक है, सो आर टीम इज ऑल्सो रेडी, ठीक है? सो हमारे यहाँ पे जो आरबीआई की रिटायर्ड पर्सन हैं, दे आर part of the panel team, so they'll help you out like what kind of question, what type of questions you may expect from the interview panel, and how to tackle those particular one or the other areas also, okay? So this is completely free of cost for all of you, so there is a link given in the description box. Please do fill that particular form and avail these particular free mock interviews also, right? So if you have any doubt, any queries around this IFSCA grade A phase 2 interview, phase 3 interview, so you can also ask in the comment section, or please do fill that particular form, so we will connect with you and we will schedule your interview or even some other classes for your in our upcoming days, okay? So once again guys, many congratulations for clearing this phase 2 examination. Now the final battle is your interview and you have to prepare very well, okay? And the areas which we discussed, try to work on those particular areas, and also do connect with our panel team, so they'll help you out. They'll share their experiences with all of you, right? So those experiences are definitely going to help you in your upcoming examination or in your upcoming interview, right? So all the very best for your preparation guys. See you in the mock interview. Thank you.